What is going on, all you beautiful people? This is Laser Focus Solutions Media, and I am Christopher Godwin, and I am hosting this puppy. So let's get started. Today, I want to talk to you about how we do backsplashes. What does it look like, right? And just want to share some photos. So I want to walk you through. I'm going to share my screen. Bear with me. Takes 2 seconds. We're almost there. Keep your hands and feet inside the card at all times. Let me go ahead and slide over here a little bit. So this is picture one, right? So what we do is we tell our customers, they come to us and they ask us, hey, Laser Focus Solutions, can we do backsplashes? Yes, we can. So what does this experience look like? So we guide our clients to go to our local rep in Middletown, Delaware, who happens to have multiple branches throughout the state of Delaware, called Tile Market. Okay. Now we have a partnership account with them. And what that means is that the clients walk into the showroom, they establish their name in the system, and they share who they're working with. Once they pick out their selections, then Tile Market reaches out to me directly and lets me know that, hey, your client has made some selections. Can you provide us with the details so we can now give you the right amount of materials that you're going to need? So that's what this customer did. She went into Tile Market. She met with a sales rep there, walked to the design center, and picked out the proper product that she wanted. Now, full transparency, I was kind of curious as to what she was going to go with, only because this is a pretty busy countertop, right? And I was just curious of how it was going to pull in and pull all together, because I didn't think a generic subway tile would look good, white in particular. So I was kind of curious what her taste was going to be. And man, do I love doing what I do. So I'll go into photo two. This is another photo. I feel like photo 3 and photo 4 are just duplicates from a different angle, but the same, if you want to call it that. So, yep, that's what I thought. And yep, that's what I thought. And then here, I got a little ahead of myself and realized, hey, Chris, you didn't take enough photos. So I grabbed my phone. The orange that was in the other photos back here was also that orange color in the wall. So she asked us to pull the fridge out, and we color matched the paint. And we went ahead and painted back here as well. So this was painted, and we're ready to put that back. But as you can see, the tile is in. This is day one. Now, what I like about this is when you go back to this picture over here, you can see this windowsill has a trim board underneath of it. And I'm not a technical person, even though I own a business and even though I'm in the handyman home repair space, right? I just don't get down with knowing everything. And I'll be the first to admit that, right? I try. If someone corrects me in the comment below, I'll remember it probably. So in this case, we actually talked to the client and said, hey, it might not make much sense to put a little strip right here in the bottom. We recommend removing that board and bringing it all the way up. Love it, right? She took on to that and we ran with it. So this is day one. And here we go. This is the finished product, right? This is day two with the grout installed and everything. Looks so crisp, looks so clean. Love the color tile she picked out. Just very, very elegant looking. It didn't take her any time at all to get her items back on the counter. Even got some tomatoes from the garden out back, which we will be doing some work on that soon. She wants us to put a fence up with some wire around it so she can keep the varmints away. And in this house, we did other things as well. I elected to not take photos of it just because it was a little bit too personal. She asked us to hang up about 21 pictures throughout the house. So we did that as well. So it was a great day. We love when clients ask us to do things, and then we hear the, oh, while you're here, can you do this as well? And then today was no different. So very pleased with this project. It turned out great. I really love the way the countertop actually pulls out a lot less of the orange now. It was pretty aggressive, I feel like, in the beginning. Not like distasteful aggressive, but just around, just you could see a lot more of the orange, and that was clear because of the backsplash color previously. So again, this was just a project that we completed. And, and what happens when we complete our jobs with House Call Pro, the client is able to pay, which in this case, they paid with a credit card right there on site. Once that payment is processed, it closes out, it syncs to my QuickBooks, and then the client gets a review link right thereafter where she can provide us with a review. So this video is kind of short. Any questions or comments, hit that down below, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep growing this thing, man. I'm going to continue to share my journey, continue to share content, real, raw, non-edited to my best ability. And we're going to continue to honor my commitment of 90 days straight of content. And this was today's fun task. So just to give you a little play out of the rest of the week, this week we're also working on I guess 4 or 5 rooms in a home we're painting for a repeat client. Bedroom 1, hallway, living room, dining room, kitchen. And then we're also continuing on with the deck build job as heat is brutal. And we're trying to work within the means of that. We got an inspection final for Friday, so we got to get that locked down. Thursday, we're starting another drywall job. We got permits pulled for that. We got the client's approval to start that on Thursday. And then Saturday, we're starting another project. So we are hammering. We are hitting on all cylinders, a lot of great things. I went out and did an estimate this evening, met a new couple in a 55 plus community who was very gracious to meet Laser Focus Solutions and just have them in their back pocket. They love the conversation that we had. Previous installers of certain products they're not pleased with, and they've done the research, they've read the reviews, they've heard about us through other people, and they were eager to get to know us. So we went out there tonight and met with them and discussed future plans to do some stuff at their house. So again, this is what it's all about, right? We're doing this thing from grassroots, from the boots on the ground. We are out there knocking and hitting it hard. So appreciate everything, all the love. I'm gonna stop sharing and I'm gonna end the video. So again, hit that like button, subscribe, tell your friends, your dog walker, your postman, anybody you got, tell them. Laser Focus Solutions out.